Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Our channel is all about teaching you how to do things yourself to save money. We also do tool reviews to help you understand if a tool is right for you before you purchase it, which saves you money by not buying things that don't work for you. Today we're going to review this Craftsman Work Light. It puts out 1,000 lumens of light. It charges from your normal house power, 110 volt outlets. We've done several similar work lights recently. Most of them charge off a USB port like you would charge your phone. This one charges off normal house power, so you plug it into the normal wall outlet in your house to charge it. That's one of the things that's really different about this light from some of the others that we reviewed. So you know, for some people that works, some it don't. It puts out, I think I said, it puts out 1,000 lumens of light. The color of the light is at 4000K, which is a little pardon me, it's a little toward amber from normal sunlight, but it's still a good bright light. Comes with a 1-year warranty. It's got a little handle that you can use to prop it up at different angles like this or whatever. We'll be showing you that a little bit later. So now we're going to take this out of the box and see what's in here. Okay, so let's open this thing up and see what's in the box. Got a cord here on the top. Got our instructions here. I always recommend people read through the instructions. I know most of them are redundant from everything else you've bought, and most people don't like to read that, but I do recommend it. But here's the light. Comes with a cord that looks like it's maybe about 6 feet long that you plug into a normal 110 volt outlet. Got a nice little handle for a stand that I like the way it doesn't detent. Others that we've reviewed, the handle would detent in certain areas, so there's only certain places that you could aim it. Now this one, it's just a snug fit, so you can, you got more adjustment. I do like that. One thing I don't like about this is the cable won't unplug, and there's no battery in here, so it only work if it's plugged in. Most of the other ones similar to this that we've reviewed recently had a battery built in. You charge the battery, you unplug the cord, you can take it and go wherever you want to and use it. I like that better, but this light does put out a lot of light. It's very usable. It's a good color of light. So let's plug it in over here and we'll see what the light looks like. All right, you just got one switch on the back that's off and on. That's on. I'm not going to shine this directly into the camera because it is a pretty bright light. It does put out a lot of light, and like I said, the color of the light's at 4000K, so it's a little bit toward amber of sunlight, but it's still a really good color for a work light. The only thing I don't like about this thing is you're always tethered to the cord. It's got to be plugged in to work. There's no battery in it. So all in all, I would have to say it's an okay value, but I would really prefer that it have a built-in battery so you could unplug the cord once the battery's charged and take it and use it. But it does put out a lot of light. We paid $20 for this, which is not unreasonable for a work light, but I would like it better if it had a battery in it. So anyway, that's my review of this Craftsman 1,000 lumen work light. And if you find this video useful, click like and share it with your friends. And we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel because that helps us grow. It also helps you find other videos that we've done. We've done numerous other work lights and similar kind of flashlights and things, as well as repair items around the house. So if you're interested in saving money, subscribe to our channel. We'll help you with that. So just like to say thank you for visiting. Do it yourself with Wayne, and have a great day.